Now, before I close, I want to spend just a couple minutes on measurement because it's one of the most neglected aspects of intranet management and one of the most important. SharePoint has built-in analytics at both the site level and the page level. You can see how many people visited a page, how often, where they came from, and what they did next. That data is valuable, not just for understanding what's working. It's valuable for making the case to leadership that the intranet is worth investing in. If you can show that the benefits page is visited by 85% of the organization during open enrollment, that has value. If you can show that the IT service portal reduced help desk tickets by 30%, that's a business case. The metrics that matter most for intranet success aren't vanity metrics like page views. They're outcome metrics. Did the intranet reduce the time it takes to onboard a new employee? Did it reduce the volume of where do I find the form for emails to HR? Did employee engagement surveys show an improvement in how connected people feel to organizational news? Those outcomes connect intranet investment to organizational value, and they're achievable when the intranet is designed well. So use SharePoint analytics regularly, review them quarterly, share the data with the people who own sections of the internet, and let the data guide your decisions about what to invest in and what to let go. All right, so let's summarize now. A great SharePoint intranet isn't a technology achievement. It's an employee experience achievement. The technology makes it possible. The design, the content strategy, the governance, and the ongoing care are what make it valuable. And the organizations that get this right, that build intranets around what employees actually need, that maintain them with real ownership, that treat them as living tools rather than one-time projects, those organizations see real returns, reduced friction, faster onboarding, better communication, more connected teams. Here's your starting point if you're building or rebuilding an intranet. Before you create a single site, talk to 10 employees across different roles and ask them what they spend time searching for that should be easy to find. Their answers are your information architecture. Build around those answers, not around the org chart. And if you're looking at an intranet that already exists and isn't performing, don't throw it out. Start by auditing the content. Find the stale pages, assign owners, simplify the navigation, add a news cadence. Those 4 things alone can breathe life back into an intranet that's been quietly ignored. Now, if you want to go deeper on SharePoint design, governance, and building Microsoft 365 environments that actually work for the people inside of them, that's the work I do through AuditSolve all the time.